everyone, this is Priyanka and welcome to my channel. You must be noticing where I'm sitting today. Well, I came here and I thought to sit in this place for a moment. This is such a beautiful place and I'm really feeling so good. Okay, so I just want to tell you that do you really think, have you ever asked question to yourself that what extra you are doing in your life? What extra you are doing for yourself, for self improvement? Okay, I just have some question for you, such as are you really fond of reading books? Do you really passionate about self improvement? Okay, if you really conscious about such question, then let me know in the comment section. If you are doing something for your life, something for your career, write down your thought in the comment box. I would love to listen from you. Okay, I think that we all are well acquainted with the theory of law of karma, which state what you do will come back to you either positively or negatively. Okay, I know that we all are well known about good deed and bad deed, right? For example, we all know that smoking causes our health badly. Okay, in the same way, we know that learning English language will benefit our career, will help us to grow in a better way. Okay, we know everything, but we do nothing. Is not it? So this video is not only regarding English learning, but also from other aspect of your life. You know, learning something will teach you discipline about life. It will increase your confidence level. It will help you to become more competent in your life. The more skill you will have will consider component of your life. Remember that. Okay, so what are you waiting for? You know basic steps about learning English. Okay, for example, I already have said many times there are 4 basic steps. They are reading, writing, and watching and speaking. So start at least from somewhere. Okay, without taking very first step, if you are deciding about consequences, if you are deciding the rest of your journey, then like you are never going to achieve anything. Okay, you are just required to have strong willpower, strong desire. Believe me, remaining knowledge, remaining things will automatically come to you. When I started learning this language, I had zero knowledge. I had zero knowledge about English learning. I just had a strong desire in my mind. I was really passionate about this learning, and that's the only thing I had. This was my resource. Okay, this was my source of pushing me go ahead day by day. That's how I have learned this language. Still I am learning. So this is the only thing you need to you need to produce within your mind. Okay, so motivate yourself, produce courage in your mind. Start your learning. Start. Learning is a concept, will change you completely, right? So this was all about today's video, guys. I really had nothing to say. There was no specific thought that I'm going to share this thing today, but this suddenly popped up in my mind and I thought to share with you. I hope you are going to love this video. If you would like my thought, please don't forget to share your opinion below this comment section. I would be grateful. I would feel happy to reading your comments. Take care. Bye-bye.